What does it take to build a military vehicle that can survive bullets, brutal terrain, and freezing Arctic winters? Designed for reconnaissance, troop transport, and special operations, the Tigr has become one of Russia's most recognizable armored Every vehicle starts inside an enormous manufacturing complex, where steel, robotics, and skilled technicians work together around the clock. A modern production line can manufacture multiple armored vehicles simultaneously, with hundreds of precision components arriving every single day.
But before a single bolt is tightened, thousands of kilograms of specialized steel arrive from industrial mills.
These aren't ordinary sheets of metal. High-strength armored steel is engineered to resist impacts while maintaining structural rigidity under extreme stress. Every delivery is carefully documented before production begins. Even tiny inconsistencies could compromise an entire vehicle. Here's where things get interesting. Every plate undergoes ultrasonic inspection to detect microscopic internal flaws invisible to the human eye. Only approved material advances to the next stage, where enormous CNC plasma cutters prepare every structural component with millimeter precision. Computer-controlled cutting dramatically reduces waste while ensuring every panel fits perfectly during final assembly.
But sharp edges aren't acceptable in military production. Every freshly cut component must be refined before welding.
Industrial grinding systems smooth every edge, preventing stress concentrations that could weaken the finished structure.
Meanwhile, another department prepares the backbone of every Tigr, the heavy-duty ladder frame. Precision fixtures hold every chassis component perfectly aligned before robotic welding even begins.
This machine changes everything. Multi-axis robotic welders create deep structural welds that remain remarkably consistent from vehicle to vehicle. Each weld penetrates multiple millimeters into the steel, producing exceptional strength for demanding military service. However, welding generates tremendous heat. The entire chassis must cool under carefully controlled conditions to prevent distortion.
Laser measurement systems now inspect the completed frame, verifying dimensions within fractions of a millimeter.
The foundation is finally complete, but next comes the armored body, a process requiring even greater precision and engineering expertise. The armored body begins with dozens of precision-cut steel panels. Every piece has a specific purpose, and every large CNC press brakes now bend these thick plates into complex shapes. Hundreds of tons of hydraulic force transform flat steel into the vehicle's protective shell.
The sensor data confirms the bend angle is within tolerance.
Excellent. Send it through to the next station.
Meanwhile, automated welding fixtures assemble the vehicle's side walls. Every joint is locked into position before permanent welding begins. Dozens of robotic welds fuse the side structure together. The result is a rigid armored section capable of handling extreme operational loads.
Bring it down easy. Watch the far side.
Looks good from here. We are aligned.
Powerful automated welders permanently join the roof, transforming separate panels into one unified armored cabin. But that's only the beginning. Every door requires its own reinforced internal framework before external armor plates are installed. Heavy-duty hinges are welded directly into reinforced sections, allowing each armored door to support its substantial weight for years of operation. Special ballistic window frames are then integrated into the doors, creating secure mounting points for multi-layer armored glass. The body shell is now structurally complete, but its weld quality must be thoroughly verified before moving any further. Ultrasonic and magnetic testing reveal hidden imperfections without damaging the steel. Only flawless welds pass inspection. Once approved, the body enters an automated blasting chamber where steel shot removes oxidation and prepares the surface for coating. Every trace of dust is removed before anti-corrosion treatment begins. Clean metal is essential for long-lasting protection. The body is completely submerged inside a protective electro-coating bath, allowing corrosion-resistant primer to reach even hidden cavities. After coating, industrial ovens bake the primer at carefully controlled temperatures, creating a durable, protective foundation. Now robotic painters apply multiple layers of military-grade finish with remarkable consistency and minimal overspray. The armored cabin is finally ready, but without a powerful drivetrain underneath, it's just an empty shell. Then everything now shifts to the rolling chassis. Massive suspension components arrive first because every kilogram of armor depends on them for stability.
Robotic torque tools secure the front suspension using digitally programmed tightening sequences that eliminate human error.
Next come the reinforced axles, engineered to survive punishing off-road conditions while carrying the vehicle's enormous weight. Each differential is filled with specialized gear oil designed to perform reliably in both desert heat and Arctic cold. Now the braking system takes shape. Oversized ventilated brake components provide dependable stopping power under extreme loads.
Every hydraulic line is pressure tested before leaving the station. Even microscopic leaks are unacceptable. Here's where things get exciting. The diesel engine finally enters the production line.
Using precision lifting equipment, technicians carefully lower the engine into the chassis with only centimeters of clearance. Heavy-duty engine mounts absorb vibration while keeping the power plant securely fixed during intense off-road driving. The transmission follows immediately afterward, creating a complete drivetrain capable of delivering power to all four wheels. The transfer case is installed next, allowing drivers to switch between road driving and demanding off-road terrain.
Long steel drive shafts now connect the entire drivetrain, transferring engine power efficiently from front to rear.
Meanwhile, the cooling system is assembled. Large radiators and heavy-duty cooling fans ensure reliable operation under extreme temperatures. Fuel tanks built from corrosion-resistant materials are mounted beneath the vehicle, protected by reinforced shielding. The electrical system now comes alive. Wiring harnesses stretching hundreds of meters are carefully routed through the chassis.
Every connector is scanned digitally, ensuring thousands of electrical connections match the engineering blueprint perfectly.
This machine changes everything. Automated diagnostic equipment powers the vehicle for the very first time. Sensors instantly verify communication between the engine, transmission, braking system, and onboard electronics before assembly continues.
The mechanical heart is finally complete, but transforming it into a finished military vehicle requires the most spectacular lift in the entire factory.
Please. Now comes one of the most dramatic moments in the entire factory. The fully painted armored body is carefully lowered. Inside the cabin, the military-grade dashboard begins to take shape, with rugged controls designed for operation in harsh environments. Heavy-duty seats with integrated restraint systems are installed next, giving the crew durability and support during rough off-road missions. Here's where things get even more impressive. Thick, multi-layer ballistic glass is carefully installed into reinforced window frames. Every door is adjusted repeatedly to achieve an airtight, dust-resistant seal while maintaining smooth operation despite its enormous weight. Meanwhile, massive all-terrain tires are mounted onto reinforced wheels built to handle mud, rocks, snow, and deep sand. The completed wheels are fitted to the vehicle, finally allowing the Tigr to stand on its own for the very first time. Now every fluid is added with precision. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission oil, and differential lubricants are filled automatically. The engine roars to life for the very first time. Engineers carefully monitor temperatures, oil pressure, charging systems, and electronic diagnostics. But that's only the beginning. Every vehicle enters a rolling dynamometer that simulates real driving conditions without ever leaving the factory. Brake performance, drivetrain efficiency, gear changes, and engine output are all verified under controlled testing conditions.
Next comes the water tightness test. Powerful spray systems simulate torrential rain to ensure the armored cabin remains completely sealed.
Every completed vehicle receives a meticulous final inspection. Even the smallest cosmetic defect is corrected before approval. Approved vehicles are cleaned, documented, and assigned identification records before entering the shipping yard. Rows of completed GAZ Tigr vehicles await transport, ready for delivery to military units and specialized operators around the world. From raw steel to a battle-ready 4x4, every GAZ Tigr represents thousands of precision operations, advanced engineering,